Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Today we are going to see about 6th standard science, measurement and motion, part 2. Let us start our section with the units and the conversion. Let us start. Quantity, length, millimeter, it represent as mm, and 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Centimeter, it represent as cm. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Meter, kilometer. Meter represent as small m and kilometer represent as km. K should be capital and m should be small letter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So millimeter and centimeter is the smallest units. Meter and kilometer are the largest one. And next, mass, milligram, mg. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. Gram, g. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Kilogram, kg. 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton and ton, t. And milligram, gram is the smallest unit. Kilogram, ton is the largest one. Milligram, can you see the doctor will say to take a syrup 5 ml and 10 ml. So milligram is the very smallest unit. Next, time, second, it represent as s. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Minute, min, minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Hour, h. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. We know very well 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Temperature, degree Celsius. It represent as C. Are you clear, children? So the next one, we are going to see the smallest numerical sums. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and you should how to remember this. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So millimeter is the smallest unit and kilometer is the largest unit. Let us see some small numerical sums so that you will be clear with that. Numerical examples. Sonam lives at a distance of 3000 meter from Ravi's house. How many kilometer is it? So we know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So Sonam lives at a distance is equal to 3000 meter. Already they have given in the question. The distance between Sonam and Ravi's house, 3000 divided by 1000. So 3000 meter divided by 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So divided by 1000. So it will get the zeros cancel and you will get the 3 meters. So what is the answer? The distance between Sonam and Ravi's house is equal to 3 meter. Are you clear, children? Let us see one more sum. Rogan has a piece of cloth that measures 3.5 meters. How many smaller pieces can he make for each measuring 50 centimeter in length? So he is having totally 3.5 meters. He want to cut into 50 centimeter. Then how much piece the particular person will get? Length of whole cloth piece is equal to 3.5 meter. Already they have given in the question. So 3.5 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3.5 into 100. So when you multiply 3.5 into 100, you will get 3500. So 1 0 will get cancelled. 350 centimeter. So the length of smaller cloth piece is equal to 50 centimeter. So we want a small cloth with 50 centimeters. So the number of smaller cloth piece made from the whole cloth piece is equal to large of large cloth. Large cloth divided by the length of small cloth. The large cloth how much? It is 350. So the smaller cloth piece is 50. So this zero get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 7 fives are 35. So 7 small cloth piece we will get. So this is the one more sum. Can you understand, children? So 3.5 centimeters cloth we have to convert into centimeter. So we need a 50 centimeter smallest cloth. So the whole amount you are going to convert into centimeter. So we are going to divide into 100. We are going to multiply into 100. So 350 you will get. So the largest cloth divided by the smallest length of the smallest cloth. So 350 divided by 50, you will get 7 small cloth. So the next one is measurement of length. How to measure a particular object length? The length of an object is the distance between the two end of the object. For example, if you take a if you take this book, you have to start from this end to this end. So the length of the particular size book length is start from this distance between the two end of the object. So from this end to this end. So this is the length of the object. When I measure this is the length of the object. The length of the object is the distance between the two end of the object. It may be a table, book, or it may be a chair. Example. So some measuring tools are ruler, measuring tape. So this is the measuring tape. Using this we can measure the length of the object. Let us see some small questions. Define measurement. Convert the following. 80 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. 2 kilogram is equal to dash meter. 100 millimeter is equal to dash centimeter. What is the measurement of length? What is the measurement of length? The length of an object is the distance between the two end of the object. So we have to do the sums and write the question and answers. So in this section, we have seen about basic, standard, unit, and how to convert 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then we saw two sums, then measurement of length. The length of an object is the distance between the two end of the object. Measuring tools are ruler and measuring tape. Thank you, children. We'll see you the next class.